One of the best ways to see if a dropshipping platform works is by checking out real success stories from users. Settler Trend has helped many entrepreneurs find winning products and build profitable stores. And today I'm sharing some of those inspiring stories. Many users report how Settler Trend's AI powered product research helped them discover trending products faster than even before. For example, some dropshippers found viral products within days, allowing them to launch stores with products that quickly gained traction and generated consistent sales. Others highlight how the Facebook Ads Finder tool gave them access to real ad creatives, saving them time and money on testing ads blindly. This feature helps sellers craft more effective marketing campaigns and that resonated with their targeted audience, boosting conversions. Some beginners praise Sell the Trend for its all-in-one platform that combines product research, store automation, and marketing tools. This makes it easier to manage the entire dropshipping process from one place, which was a game changer for those juggling multiple tasks. Of course, like any tool, success depends on how you use it. But these stories show that with the right strategies and seller trends features, it's possible to scale a dropshipping business effectively. If you want to hear more success stories or tips on using Seller Trend, go your store. Please go in your store and also please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your questions.